Hey, you gotta hold it all by yourself? Yeah, you gotta put like that 10 extra pounds.
Fucking video music in the background. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, not from there.
Just right there in the front. Ready?
Hold on. It's a stupid idea. Oh! Ow, back of my head. Are you in?
I'm in.
No, I got it. I don't.
Got it?
Yeah, just fucking figure it out back there.
Alright.
Oh, hey, welcome back to the channel, homies. You got it?
Yeah, fuck no. Go that way, Frankie. There you go.
Is it in?
Get in, run. Yeah?
Can I lower it?
Yeah, lower it. Go up more, run. Alright, hold on. Help him up, run.
I got you.
Let me get my side now. Now we gotta angle towards Franz so I can get my side in.
What is that?
What does that mean?
Abrams is in, I think, but mine wouldn't go in.
Oh, I see. Oh. Oh, yeah?
We need one of those little tools. There you go.
Hold on.
Ah.
Doors in. Are you good?
Yeah.
Then just go back though, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so try to
Push right here.
evenly push it. Don't
Hey, Fran, right here. Ready, set, go. There we go. A little bit more.
Hey, good job, fool.
Like it.
All right, we showed you guys at the end of the last video. What are you stroking it for, weirdo?
Look at the red flakes.
This is a new cage.
Zoom in so you can see the red flakes.
The boys got the new cage powder coated, or same cage, just new color. It's a pretty crazy color, but we're gonna show you the combo on that real quick. Let me show you the back. This grill and the freaking pull plate. We got the gloss black with red flake, and in the center a cherry red. So this looks really good in the sun, but it is a little bit shade darker than what we had ideas for on the wrap. But I think once the wrap is all on it, and it's all gonna come complete. So another thing that we changed on this, the only kind of complaint that I had on this machine was the freaking whip tabs. Got some new whip tabs wired up, or excuse me, welded up. Oh, hell yeah. Burned in by the boys at UTV Speed. Those are hella skookum. They ain't gonna freaking bend at all.
Hella skooka.
Hella skookum.
Oh shit.
Hella
I
skookum.
learned a new word.
The other one's bent with a freaking tree branch, with a day whip. So these, like I said, you can break your whips. It's a lot easier to replace the whips than replacing the tabs on the cage. And then you gotta start welding and damage the powder coat. So that's that. By tonight, we'll start bolting on some freaking arms and get this sucker back on its 4 legs. Be a 4-legged beast.
What?
You didn't unbolt the B-lock rings?
The B-lock? Oh, no. Oh, because I was going to ask you, do I have to take out the air?
Answer that question, bro.
Yeah.
Well,
that's why I came to ask. It's a fucking question that should be asked.
I'm sorry, bro. You know we caught your stupid ass question on video, right?
Pinche risa, güey, se está muriendo la verga. How are you gonna get that one, Bran? You need to do. Here, hurry up.
The brothers, they're happy and they're singing and they're Mexican.
Oh fuck, dog! You're just gonna watch me. I'm busy, bitch. I have fucking shitload to do. God damn it. Ah! Bitch. Oh, bitch, it's the one that fell.
Where?
In the stupid tubo.
That was on that side.
That's the only one we had extra.
Oh.
Fuck it. Here. Tighten that bitch. Let me see if...
Oh, while these jabronis tying up their cage, torquing to spec. We're doing about 65 foot-pounds on, I believe it's M10 hardware. Washers, nuts, all that good stuff. Over here, I'm installing ball joints onto the HCR A-arms. These are Keller ball joints. Very similar to a lot of other companies. CA Tech, which I have on the white machine, also a great ball joint. Allen UTV also makes a nice ball joint, although I feel like the Kellers and the CA Techs are a little bit easier to service, and yeah, that's the main thing. So with rebuildable ball joints, you gotta service them kind of often. Like I would say every 500 to 800 miles. You gotta pump them with grease, and then maybe every 1500 of hard miles, and you kind of want to rebuild them. So these are really nice. They come apart. So this is what they look like kind of installed. I still have to do my adjustments on tying that big nut, but I do that when the arms are on the car. But basically you get a big giant pin like this. But first we have to push in this ball cup. So normally on a fresh set of arms, you're gonna have to press in this cup. But in this situation, these are actually my old arms, my old HCR arms. And because of that, the cup actually wallows a little bit. Not wallows, but like wears in from pressing in and out the old ball joints, so on and so forth. I think I ran like 2 different sets of ball joints through these arms, so that takes away a little bit of material, pressing in stuff in and out. So these kind of, I don't want to say slipping, I still gotta hammer them in, but I'm not gonna have to press them in. But we'll slap these in real quick, and then we'll show you guys how it comes all together.
I've been hearing a lot of new words today.
I'm a wallower, homie.
You're a wallower.
Hold the shit.
What the fuck? You didn't say nothing?
Oh my god.
Cocksucker.
All right, see, we got space right there. Oh, my thumb! All right, the gap's basically gone. It's got a little bit there, but it'll pull itself through with the with that big giant freaking chingazo. This guy. But before we put that in, we're gonna flip it over, and then we're gonna freaking put this guy in the ball pin.
You know I'm putting that juice on there?
Put a little bit of Jesus juice on there. Right there. They already have some in it, but we'll put a little bit more. I like to use this Red and Tacky. Seems to work pretty damn good. So that's gonna go, obviously. Here's a new word for you. Spherical side down.
That's right.
And then you follow it up with the cap. The cap has the adjuster and nut. All this I will adjust on the car. There's great videos on how to do this from Keller, so if you guys want to check that out, that'd be great. I'm not going to show you guys on this video because I think I've done it already in the past. And anyways, this guy screws in like this. Before adjusting this one, you torque this one a spec. I think it's something like in the neighborhood of 180 foot-pounds, or probably more than that. Obviously you got a dust boot that goes on the bottom. What's really nice about the Keller ones is you don't drop it, they pop into place pretty good. So I really like these ball joints. I've been pretty much recommending only Kellers for the last, I don't know, half year already. I just like the way they put together, and son of a freaking diddly.
You lied.
It's just this rubber is freaking tight. Springs from MTS Off-Road, repowder coated in that crazy gloss black with the red fucking glitter over here.
The flaky flakes?
Who chose this color?
Don CJ.
Is that CJ's thing?
CJ's idea.
Here? Remember I almost took my finger out?
You always do that though.
You almost did today?
This one stays good in here. It's just crazy.
Oh.
This fucking moron. Cutting the potato, he's like, damn, that shit looks dangerous.
Those are right here.
Keep on playing.
We even got this freaking steering wheel hub
Be careful.
recoated because it was all freaking like yellow. We were leaving it in the sun and it was all jacked up. So the car was in the sun a lot before.
Shut up.
If it happens, it's...
All right, we got the rear bumper on, sort of. It's gonna be a pain in the ass because all the bolts, I put them in a big bucket like that. Put hot water, boiling water, put soap, clean them, and then I sprayed them with WD-40 so they wouldn't rust, except for these two. These didn't count. So they look good, right? They don't look like this. But the problem is now we're trying to freaking find out what went where. So little by little, we might have to organize this first and then just start chipping away at stuff, and eventually all the bolts will come to where they need to be, and then we'll probably have to go over everything, make sure everything's nice and tight, you know, make sure we don't miss anything. chipping away at Mean Machine 2.0. Blue is over there installing the roof, Zeus fittings. I installed the mirrors, intrusion bars are on. My fingerprints are all over this thing. The gloss black shows all the fingerprints. We did get some fenders on in the front. I'm doing the final adjustment on the doors. Let's look at that. It's pretty clean. Leave a decent gap. You don't want them to hit. And then the rear, I already assembled the rear suspension last night, really late. I didn't put any of the nuts on. I didn't want to make a bunch of noise for my neighbors, but I did put the bolts through the holes wherever they go. So I gotta put the nuts on everything, tying that down, torque it to spec, put the brake caliper back on, tying the axle nut, put the wheels on, and then the rear is done.
Got a package for you.
Ooh, we got a package. I'll trade you, 1 second.
Okay.
We got the freaking or Juan put on the whip the bases from 5150. We got the Baja Designs chase light back on. We did put that what do you call that, foam tape? Yeah, foam tape on the roof.
Foam tape on the roof.
Pain in the ass to put the Zeus fittings, huh?
There's 2 more we're missing.
Yeah, we're missing. I don't know what happened to them. Powder coater probably lost them, or
Powder coat.
something got jacked up. See, this side's unadjusted. You can see how off they are. I gotta adjust this side. I put the steering wheel back on with the hub. I did put on a new PRP steering wheel, flat steering wheel. Looks really good. That's really nice. Reinstalled the light bar, and I'm low on sleep, so I'm freaking fumbling my words here, but we're getting close. So once the rear is tightened up, we are missing some parts here in the front end, so we won't be able to do the front end today, but that'll be it for this video. I think there'll be some more shenanigans probably, but this is probably gonna be it. We're just gonna wrap that up, and then we'll probably call it a night on this machine. On the front, we're missing the upper gusset and the lower gusset, and the front bumper or bulkhead, the OEM bulkhead. I can't find it. I might have stole it for another machine. I can't remember. And that's it. This thing will be ready. We'll go out for like a night ride, shake it down, and then this machine and the Maverick R are gonna head to Arizona for a little wrap job. So pretty exciting. Change of the look. Lots of stuff going on. Don't forget, this weekend is the Sandsport Super Swap. We'll have the Stormtrooper and the kids Pink Razor 200, and we'll hang out there, and we're gonna sell shirts. We're gonna sell freaking corn dogs. We're gonna sell candy apples. We're gonna sell, what we're doing?
Your soul if you give it to us.
And we'll be hanging out. We'll be selling merchandise. We'll be selling a bunch of stuff. Come check us out. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're on this list, you know who you are. We appreciate you. I appreciate you. You go the extra mile, and that really helps the channel. So on to the next one. Who's screaming?
Good kid.
You got with the drill. Let me see. Sheesh, boy.
Let's feed him, huh?
Woo. Feed me.
Right, dog.
Who are you tying the fuck out of right here?
Where?
Right here, it's fucking bent.
I did, huh? But it's just like that. Look.
Cool.
Look it.
Okay, just leave it like that.
It's all loose. Look it. That's why. Look.
Just a little bit.
It's because of this.
I know. I should have took that shit off, huh? Oh well.
Leave it like that.
So if you guys see it, it's gonna be a little bent. We ain't tripping. Not my car.
Bitch.
Guys, there's level to these doors, right? I prefer certain brands of doors. These would be on the more affordable side, but if you adjust them right, they close hella good. Look at that. Took my time. Beautiful with door bags. 4 door. I am proud of myself actually. 4 doors, X3 Max. Gives you a nice blank canvas for a wrap. $1,000. We have them on the website. They're pretty sick. Look at this. Would you look at this? Just look at it.
Look at it.
So we've done this front suspension so many times on video that we're not going to show you guys the rest of the put together of this machine. Basically, we're just going to do the front suspension. Rock lights are hanging, and then a couple trim mounts that we got to replace, and that's basically it. The next time you see this machine will probably be on a night ride / shakedown, making sure the machine works properly and no issues, and then eventually it will get the complete makeover. There's gonna be a lot of color, bright color in this area. So Mean Machine 2.0 will live up to the name. It's looking good so far. Very stealth on the suspension, but the body is gonna pop really, really bright. So anyways, thank you guys for watching these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the updates on Mean Machine. We got a lot going on. Stormtrooper is getting cleaned up tomorrow. We're taking it to the sand swap. Maverick R, I still gotta put the pump in for the 85. Big Blue's still sleeping, but I'm trying my best, y'all. See you guys. Peace out.